Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using the theme pack from Kozmik Nails for the month of January. And this month's theme is Hippie Chick. And here are the dip powders. The first one is called It's Just a Phase. It's a really fun jelly thermal. And then the next one is called I Have Crystals for That, which is a really pretty fine chunky glitter mix. And the theme pack comes with a sheet of water decals. This has the peace signs on there, the moon. It also has that little like Volkswagen bus, which is super fun. And I like the peace sign with the flowers. Check out this vinyl nail sticker sheet. It's super groovy. It has these really fun 70 flowers on there. The peace sign, the sun, the moon. Overall, I think it's a really fun sheet and you can use it for so many different things. And then you have this nail decal here. This one here has the esoteric symbols on it. So it's a hand holding the symbols with that navy background. This nail wrap is very awesome. Has that camper on there, the guitar, the peace sign, and then this one right here is another esoteric symbol one. And I really like how it has that pastel pop to it as well. And then this one is super fun. It is pastel crystals. That's such a fun nail wrap, especially for the upcoming spring. And this one has to be my favorite. It has the mushroom, the flowers, the hearts. It's just the color scheme and everything is super fun. So the Hippie Chick theme pack is available now through Kozmik Nails. For today's mani, we are going to be doing a press-on set. We're going to be doing a lot of different things here. We're going to be doing dip liquids, and we're also going to be using some gels. So we're going to kind of be all over the place for this mani, but it's going to be really fun. Now, Kozmik Nails releases a new theme pack every month. For January, it is the Hippie theme pack, which is inspired by peace, love, and crystals. So it's like a 60s, 70s, and like a witchy vibe, which is super fun. Now this dip powder right here, I have crystals for that. It's a really pretty dip powder. As you can see here with that first dip, it is super fun. And you're probably wondering what those silvery pieces are. So those silvery pieces look like, and the name is perfect for this dip powder, but it looks like crystal explosion all over the nail. And I really like that effect that you get with this dip powder. It's so unique and yet so pretty. So those pieces on there are actually mica chips. So it is a white glitter and then it has those beautiful mica chips in it. So that's what you're seeing. It's really pretty and very unique. And you could use this dip powder for so many fun things. I really like how it looked with one dip, so I was debating if I was going to do 2 dips or not because I thought one dip was like super pretty and that iridescent crystal looking look, but I went ahead and you will see here we're doing 2 dips, but it's just such a unique dip powder, and I can go on and on about that dip powder because it's just so pretty and I have never seen anything like that before. If you haven't tried any of Kozmik Nails dip powders, definitely head over there after this video to check them out. She has some beautiful, unique dip powders that are simply stunning, and you will definitely find something that catches your eye. And so right now we're just dipping into It's Just a Phase. That is that sheer jelly thermal. So it's going to be a very light coverage because it is a jelly. So it has like this slight gray look to it, which I really like that about it. And it's perfect background for any like water decals, or if you like that that jelly look, it's perfect on its own as well. If you just want to use a fun jelly dip powder just to build up strength for your nails, this is a fun one because it's like that sheer gray, but yet when it's warm, it has like this light pink color to it, so it's really pretty and unique. So here is the dip powders with one dip, and you can see I have a crystal for that. How pretty it is with that one dip. It's just I can't stop looking at it. But you will see it gets even better when you dip into it for a second time. It gets even better. I know it's hard to believe, but check it out. Isn't that pretty? I can't get over it. So anyways, so let's dive into this mani process. We are doing tons of stuff today. We're going to be using the vinyl stickers. We're going to be using the water decal sheet, and we are going to be using the nail wrap. So I will pop back in just a few moments. All right, now that we have those nail stickers on the nail, I'm going to go ahead and use the dip base, apply it to the entire nail. You can see there that that middle sticker there was giving me some trouble, but it's okay. I'm just going to pop it back into place. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip this nail into that clear dip powder. This will go ahead and encapsulate those stickers to the nail. So if you are doing any filing and buffing, it will not cut into those beautiful stickers. So I'm just making sure I'm pressing down those stickers as best as I can. If they're not that flat, don't worry about it. We are going to make them really, really flat to the nail. It's almost going to be flush to the nail. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that dip activator and I'm going to apply it to the entire nail. I'm going to apply a very generous amount. And then right away, I'm going to go ahead and take that plastic baggie and I'm going to press firmly down onto that nail. And I'm really going to wrap that plastic baggie over the entire nail. And what that's doing is that is making those flowers super flat during that activation process. So now those flowers are basically flush to the nail. Now that step is completely optional. If you do not want to go ahead and clear encapsulate in that clear dip powder, you can go ahead and use your gel base and top coat as well. So I'm going to go ahead and continue encapsulating the rest of the glitter nails only in that clear dip powder, because then the sheer jelly nails, we are going to use some gel products on there to do some water slides and then a nail wrap. So I will pop back in just a few moments. All right, now we're going to go ahead and apply that nail wrap to the entire nail, and I'm gently going to press that down. Now remember, nail decals and nail wraps are pretty fragile, so you just want to make sure that you have a delicate hand when you are placing these. After I went ahead and placed that nail wrap on the nail, I went ahead and dipped this brush into some acetone, and now I'm just melting off that extra excess on the nail. And you just want to make sure that you're being really careful with that acetone, because you don't want to get any on the actual nail wrap itself that you see on the top of the nail, and you don't want to get it too close to the cuticle line because you do not want any of that nail wrap to dissolve. But I find this way is super easy, and I really like how it removes the excess and it pretty much seals in that nail decal, nail water sheet to the nail perfectly with little to no effort. You just have to take a little bit more time making sure that you're not getting any acetone on that nail wrap. But there it is, and it came out perfectly, and I really like how it turned out. So now we're going to add a water decal to the other nail, and then that is it. All right, so I will pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how groovy is this mani? I think it's super fun. I'm completely in love with that nail wrap. It's so fun, and just overall had a really fun time creating this mani. I hope you enjoyed it. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below. Please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.